Hello guys, welcome to the class. So you have already seen how to install Windows Server 2019 on your VirtualBox. In this class, we are going to learn how to download Microsoft evaluation version of Windows 10 operating system and install using Oracle's VirtualBox Manager. The installation is similar to that of the server. So open your favorite browser and type Microsoft Windows 10 evaluation ISO download. And after you hit enter, you will see the first link from the microsoft.com. Try Windows 10 Enterprise on Microsoft Evaluation Center. Click on the link. Now you are redirected to the website microsoft.com, where you can download the ISO file of Windows 10 Enterprise Evaluation version. So this is the link that you are being redirected, and you have 90 days of trial period to use this operating system on your VirtualBox. Click on the ISO Enterprise and click on continue button. Now please fill your details. Kiran, my name is Kiran, last name Kumar, company Vidyalaya, 529, job title other IT professional, work email info Vidyalaya, and country I'm from India. So type your details, and I would like to receive tips and offers about the solution for business and organizations. So click on yes if you want to, and click on the continue button. Now choose whether you want 32-bit ISO or 64-bit ISO. I will click on 64-bit. Now select your language. I'll click on English. Now click on download button. So click on OK to download. Since I have already downloaded the operating system, I will click on the cancel button. So have a patience till the ISO file downloads onto your hard disk. I guess you have downloaded the file. Now in order to create new operating system, that is new virtual operating system, click on the new button and type the name of the operating system. So I want to use this Microsoft Windows 10 operating system as my attacker machine. I will type attacker or Win 10 attacker. I'm going to save the file at this location in my hard disk. Type is Microsoft Windows, and it's a 64-bit Windows 10 ISO file. RAM size is 2 GB. I'm not going to increase over here. If you want to increase, if you have a sufficient RAM, you can increase. And under hard disk, create a virtual hard disk now and click on create button. So the VDI file is win10attacker.vdi, and the size of the VDI file is 50 GB over here. I'll change it to 30 GB. Now hard disk type is VDI, as you know, and dynamically allocated physical storage on physical disk. Click on create. Now let us click on the settings button, because you have to mount the ISO file to the optical drive, that is virtual optical drive. So click on storage. The optical drive is empty. Click on the icon over here, choose the disk file, and this is the file you want to mount onto the optical drive. Select the file and click on the open button. OK, and again click on the settings, go to the systems, remove the floppy. Display is fine, storage is fine, network is bridged adapter, and that's it. Under advanced, in general, under advanced, change the shared clipboard to bidirectional as well as the drag and drop to bidirectional. Click on OK. That should be fine. Now click on start button to begin the installation of operating system Windows 10 evaluation. Choose the file. So this is the file, ISO file we should select, and hit on the start button. The installation has begun. Now this is a Windows setup. Click on the language to install. Default option is fine for me. If you want to change, you can change. Time and currency format. In my case, I will use English India. You can select your language and country. So English India. And keyboard or input method is English India as well. So click on next button. You have two options, repair your computer or install now. Since this is a fresh installation, I will click on install now button. Setup is starting. Now this is the license agreement in the Windows setup. I suggest you to read the license agreement, and if you are okay, click on I accept the license terms, then click on the next button. Since this is a fresh installation, you must go with the second option, custom install Windows only. You have a drive over here which is unallocated space. It's already selected, so click on next button. Now installing Windows. Files are being copied to your VDI file, that is virtual hard drive. So have a patience till the installation gets finished. I will resume the video when the installation completes. Is this right keyboard layout? US? Yes. Do you want to add a second keyboard? I'll skip it. Who is going to use this PC? So type your name. My name is Kiran, but let me type as an attacker. Attacker means not an evil person here. It means we are using this computer for vulnerability testing using Windows tools. So that is the reason I'm giving this computer name and account name as an attacker. Click next. Type your password. Click next. Retype your password. Click next. You have a security questions. Next, choose privacy settings for your device. I am disabling all these features or settings because I don't require. So you can disable all these features and click accept. Not now. Now the Windows 10 operating system is ready to use as an attacker machine, so that you can use some Windows tool for scanning, enumeration, even in the project of vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. When you see this, click on the yes, and you know now what to do. You need to install the guest editions. For that, go to the VirtualBox manager, and in the top menu, click on devices, select or click on insert guest editions CD image. Click on the folder button, click on the PC, drop down, and here you can see the virtual guest editions CD mounted. Double click on it to view the file contents, and now click on VBox Windows Editions AMD 64 if you have downloaded 64-bit version of ISO file. Double click on it to begin the installation process. The installer will begin to install the VirtualBox Guest Editions, and you can close this window. Installation has begun. Click next. Is go through the process. Simply click on next. Install. As you can see over here, Windows 10 Enterprise evaluation, and the license is valid for 90 days. Would you like to install this device software? Yes. Install. You have to restart this computer now, but I will click on I want to install manually or reboot later. Click finish. Now in the search section, type about. Now here you can see about your PC. Click on this option. So here you are seeing your device specifications, that is your computer specifications. Your device name is desktop MOB3HAO, looking really weird. So you can rename this PC. For that, click on rename this PC. Now I am typing as attacker machine, ATTACKER, attacker. Click on the next. Now I will click on restart now to restart this machine. So guys, I want you to create two other Windows 10 machines, and you can name them as computer 1 or and computer 2. Hit enter button and you will see your account. Now you need to type password in order to access this computer. So this is your Windows 10 computer. Now you can click on view full screen mode. Now again click on search button and type about. Click on about your PC. That will open the system settings, and here you can now see your device name or PC name as an attacker. Okay, if you scroll down and click on advanced system settings and computer name, so this is your attacker PC and is part of a work group. It is not part of a domain controller. Okay, so guys, I want you to install two Windows 10 computers in your VirtualBox, so that you can name them something like computer 1 and computer 2, and those machines we will add those two computers to a domain. So please wait, I'll show you. In the VirtualBox manager, we have Parrot, Kali, Windows Server 2019 and attacker machine which is running. And I have already installed two machines, that is PC1 and PC2. Windows PC1 and Windows PC2. Now I'm going to join these two computers to this domain controller. So in the next class we will see how to add these computers to a domain controller and create some user accounts on Windows Server so that they can be accessed. I mean, you can log in using that accounts on this PC or this PC. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.